Nas is divorcing his wife, Khalees, and he is ordered to pay $44,000 a month in support.
You know me. That stuff like this drives me crazy. All right, how does it break down?
Okay, so Khalees, her full name is Khalees Rogers. She's getting $30,471 in spousal support. All right. And then she's getting an additional $9,027 in child support.
All right.
But that's not enough. Hold on.
Of course not.
There's a little bit more. Okay. Nas also has to pay for her legal fees. He has to pay for the attorney and for a forensic accountant, right? And that is $45,000 in addition to all of this.
So let's understand some things. First of all, Khalees is the singer of Milkshake.
Yeah.
Okay. So she's a famous singer in her own right, and she makes plenty of money from that. Now she says, look, she's about to release a new album. She hasn't released one in a while, so she's not making as much as she used to. Cry me a fucking river, okay? So we'll get back to that in a second. And now, I don't understand why this guy... Look, if you said to me, look, I'm going to give him give the baby $9,000 a month, which you know Khalees is going to spend, not the baby, because it's a freaking baby, right? Okay, fine. Because the guy is rich, the dad is rich, and $10,000 a month for the baby is crazy, but it's not that crazy, especially if it's a rich guy. I can live with it, okay? Okay. But why does she need $30,000 a month from him because of the life she's become accustomed to, okay? And then if all that didn't piss you off enough, why does he have to pay for his own dicking? He's paying for her lawyers to fuck him up and a forensic accountant to come in and just pick his finances apart. And to me, that adds insult to injury. And look, if you want to screw me over with your forensic accountant who's going to go through my books and your lawyers, at least have the decency to not have me pay for it. I mean, take care of those expenses. Look, you know, we've had guys on the show who are these right-wing guys who say all the rights of men have been taken away, et cetera, and they're crazy, right? And they have these backwards way of thinking, and they feel like they're the victims, et cetera. But is there some truth to the fact that the justice system has now been skewed in these kind of situations, especially in divorce proceedings, to favor the woman over the man to a degree that it seems unjust? In my case, in my way of thinking, yes. Okay. Now you can't apply it to every case. You can't apply it to all of society, et cetera, et cetera. But why does a guy have to give someone else who has their own profession, makes plenty of money on their own? Why does he have to give her $30,000 a month extra? That makes no sense to me, and I think to a lot of other people.
Right. Now, of course, Nas is trying to appeal this decision by the judge. So they're going to have a new court hearing on September 8th. And until that court hearing, Nas's attorney asked that he only pay a one-time payment of $20,000. So the judge can kind of review this and realize that the ruling is ridiculous, right? But the judge is like, no, that's not going to happen. You got to pay the $44K a month. It's going to happen.
Okay, so, look, now I'm going to take it a little over the top. If I was Nas, I'd take it to the Supreme Court. I'd be like, look, you know what? Now, how are you going to take it to the Supreme Court? If you got a simple divorce proceedings, that's not going to the Supreme Court. You got to have some sort of special claim, okay? And the claim, I would say, is gender discrimination. The laws in this case, it must be California, are set up in a way that it discriminates against men. And I'm going to take it to the Supreme Court as far as I need to take it. And then if they say no, yes, men, if they make more money, or you know what? Look, then they come back with a counter argument. If the woman makes more money, you know, you take her money. I think that's outrageous too, right? And then if you want to sue based on something other claim because it's not a man-woman thing, whatever, okay? But this system is messed up. It doesn't make any sense. And I'd go, whether it's a gender discrimination suit or any other kind of suit, I'd try to take it as far as possible. And I wouldn't want to pay $40,000. The $10,000 is fine. $30,000 a month for someone who has a perfectly good profession. I don't know why I have to support her. It doesn't make any sense to me. So, bang. You know what Nas should do? He should take it all the way up to the TYT Supreme Court.
Because the TYT Supreme Court makes a difference.
Totally.
Right.
And I think he might find a favorable court here.
Right.
I'm just saying.
No, but I completely agree with you. I mean, I almost want to disagree for entertainment values, but I agree with you.
Okay, but we can't do that because we have to be fair and honest on
Right.
this show.